This is Rego Center. See, I come to bother to check this time, and I thought I'd come back to do a little retake because I lost my video from my iPad that was taken. Oh, and point out something to I Hate Escalators, because this elevator could have easily been scenic. Apparently, this is one of the other crappier elevators here in the complex. And these have empty vendor-resistant call stations. I believe 2 elevators are working today, though. It was broken the last time I came in. There's some scratch graffiti. What's this one? That sounded sick. And the indicator is completely dead. Relief 4 opens up over here, just in case. Let's give you a cab view while we're at it. Nice carpet floor. There's the fan. The indicator's dead. As you see, we got a phone in here. 88 compliant, that is. And that door slams shut. These are your Schindler empty buttons. Let's set this up. You're gonna walk up there? And I should be able to get this one, because I do believe this one is working now. There's your drop lunar key. Screw it, let's give you a view of the parking deck. This is the first floor. You know, this is not like reminding me of the Bedford Street or Bell Street parking deck at Stanford. Yeah, Bedford Street has a Otis. Ah, this one's working. Yippee! And we got company. This one has a different braille, just like the other one. Oh, by the way, no. Well, 1995. That's your answer right there. This one has a full working indicator, the other one doesn't. Here's your directory, that's the former Sears. And this one opens up over here, just like the other time. Oh. Going out?
Yes.
What floor?
First floor.
It's hot in here.
Yeah. It's hot outside anyway, the sun's.
Well, it's like 80 degrees, I believe. 80s, I believe.
It was 85.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when I came.
You alright, madam?
No,
First
no,
floor.
no, no.
Oh, really? Where you go? Where you going?
First A2.
2A?
Yeah. I need 2A.
Oh, it's alright then.
I get confused all the time with the first floor.
Yeah, sometimes when the place is built, that is.
Yeah.
I think it was like 1990 or something. Alright, this is 2A.
Yeah, thank
Here you are.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
You too, thank you.
Going up or down?
Just like that.
Are you going up?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Yes, thank you.
Shut up the indicator. Alright, let's give you guys a cab view for this one. Has a different phone. Alright, let's get out. Oh. No, that's outdated. So, with all that said, that's it.